welcome to Ask Dad in the Garden. Is that the... Suggest another title. I'm Eleanor, and this is Dad, and we're in the garden. And today, thank you, I believe Sarah wanted to know, how do you get started with your kids, and what's a good way to start, you know, with bird feeders and bird tables and that sort of thing? Is there a simple way you can do that without going and buying a big expensive bird table?
Well, the very basic thing you have to do is simply put some food out somewhere where the birds can find it, and preferably, from your point of view, somewhere where you can see. But you can get some very simple little window feeders that stick onto your window with suckers, and you can put a bit of bird seed, which you can pick up in your local supermarket, or you can order it online from organisations like the RSPB or whatever. You put a little bit of seed in that, and in a very short period of time, birds will start turning up. And you take it from there. You can expand that as much as you feel like, as much as you can afford.
And breadcrumbs are wrong, is that right?
Breadcrumbs aren't ideal, particularly white bread. But seeds and nuts, even mealworms, which are very attractive to lodgers, are better because they're more nutritious. So it's a bit like us, really. Bread's not large amounts of bread, it's a wonderful